How are you feeling in there? Hmm? You got her?
Come on.
Okay. Hi, girl.
She likes this love. And boy, you feel good since I brushed you, baby.
Hi, sweet girl.
How you feeling?
Hmm?
Can I check you? Can I
Hi.
check you out?
Hi, sweetie.
Can I check you out, honey?
Hi.
I'm gonna check you.
Hi. You a good girl? Yeah. You're a good girl. You're a good girl, baby.
You're doing good. I don't think it's gonna be today.
She loves her pops.
It's not gonna be today, but I'm glad you got your milk.
Hi, girl. You like your spot?
How you feel? Hmm? Feel good? You feel good? Yeah, I don't want to get your hair all
See that
over me.
wire right there? Doesn't look the greatest.
Yeah, it's not in use.
Right. Don't let her get in.
Well, she won't.
I didn't shut it all the way, though.
You got a little food in there.
You might want to move that straw around.
Layla, I might bring you.
Good
I might
girl.
bring you a bone.
Hi, baby. You want us to bring you a bone? Yeah. You're pretty. Yeah, you're pretty girl. Mm-hmm. Say, I'm doing good. Don't worry about me. Yeah. We're going to keep checking on you, girl. Yeah, you're going to be fine. You're going to be a good girl. Yep. Love you. Love you.
Bye, Layla. Bye, girl.